Hello, welcome to SPFX Robotics. I am Unit 1150 at your service. Alright, we have here next on the Summer of Silicone is the SPFX Isaac Robot Mask here. Been waiting on that one for a long time there. Really cool design there. Fits really great and moves well there. The best thing is all the detail and the paint job here is really metallic and cool looking there. Mine's got a little bit of a different paint up, but you can get all kinds of different things there, you know, numbers and letters and stuff, and battle damage and rust and things like that there. Normally they come with the cables coming out of the back, attaching to the back of the head there, but I had them leave that off so I could put clothes over it and stuff like that for different looks. But overall, it's really cool. One of my favorite mask designs there. What you might see here, though, is a futuristic little guy. For Composite Effects sister company, Dermal Synthetics, they make a little different head form there. It's a little easier to take off because it doesn't have a jaw. And I specifically asked them for one of these just because I thought it was really cool. But it's a little different there, and if you ask them really nicely, they might make you one of these here. I think it's cool. Well, stay tuned. We got some more masks headed your way on the Summer of Silicone. But now it is time to go back to work.